Moisture will continue to increase, and that will eventually lead to instability, which will allow for some thunderstorms to develop and strengthen as a cold front moves on through. Main time frame for severe weather is 9 p.m. tonight through 6 o'clock in the morning on our Thursday. So I did bump up the time just by an hour. We were initially looking to see the severe weather threat start at 8, but it probably wouldn't start until 9. The showers and storms that will eventually lead to the severe weather threat still do develop around 7, 8 o'clock. It's just that it probably won't get strong enough until at least 9 p.m. to produce severe weather. So just make sure to stay weather aware basically all night long from sundown to sunrise. Damaging wind gusts, the primary severe weather concern. I have bumped up the tornado and large hail threat up to a low to medium because of the increasing chance of supercell development out ahead of the main squall line moving on through. So that's something we'll also be watching for. But again, there is a possibility that those storms that do develop here in East Texas don't strengthen enough to produce a tornado and or an instance of large hail until they get into Arkansas. So that's something we'll be watching for closely. Either way, there's still a threat. So have multiple ways of receiving weather alerts that can also wake you up in the middle of the night. Flash flooding not really a concern as these storms will be moving pretty quick. Here's a look at what we have with Futurecast. Clouds will slowly disperse as we head throughout the afternoon hours. High temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. So it's going to be a very warm start, or a very warm day, especially compared to where we are going to be next week here. And we're going to see those showers start to develop around 8, 9 o'clock. As you can see, Futurecast prevents most of the supercells from developing here in East Texas. So for us, we'll hope that as trend continues, but there's still a possibility that within this area in particular, from Marshall up to Ore City, Pittsburgh and Mount Pleasant and Northeast, and those areas in particular can't rule out a supercell developing and eventually producing a tornado or an instance of large hail. But as we head towards the midnight hour, the focus will become on this squall line that will likely develop and move on through along the leading edge of the squall line. Can't rule out some 60+ straight line wind gusts and maybe an embedded tornado along the leading edge of the line, although I do think the tornado threat is greater in the isolated supercells that develop. But by 2 o'clock in the morning, the line extends from the Naples area down to Henderson, Nacogdoches, Lufkin, and in Groveton. Again, keep in mind that the severe weather threat is across the entire area. It's just the greatest threat is in our northeasternmost areas. By 8 a.m. Friday, we're drying things out, but look how much colder it gets for your Friday morning. In fact, Friday afternoon, wind chill temperatures by noon will only be climbing into the upper 20s and low 30s with a few mid 30s out in deep East Texas.